Hey, how is it going? This is Crambo, and this is the owner of Build 200 plus subscribers in 24 hours in any niche possible. Well, thank you for visiting my page and thank you for reaching up with me. With this video I want to show you that it's possible. I've got subscribers, and this is the proof actually of my subscribers received with the service I'm using and with the strategy I'm using. Also, I have something that will surprise you very positively and will leave a very good idea about this product. Well, let me show you. The first thing is GetResponse autoresponder image. This is my GetResponse account. As you can see, lead test campaign. It's 205 subscribers. I have 205 subscribers got, 0 subscribers I got today. I have not run the ad today, but with the ad I have created, I have got 205 subscribers. Now maybe you are wondering about the quality of these subscribers. For this side I have created and I have promoted to show you also these subscribers are high quality. Well, let's take a look. Proof of quality of subscribers, right? Generated $356.62 with 205 subscribers that I received to lead test campaign. As you can see, the tracking ID, you can see over here, the tracking ID is same as the campaign name on GetResponse. This was the single way for me to be able to track the sales, to know exactly I'm getting that kind of sales exactly from that specific subscribers. Look, $356.62 again I have generated with that 205 subscribers. So what that means is these subscribers are high quality, this service is high quality, it's extremely affordable, it is just, you know, it is just perfect for any internet marketer, for any marketer that want to build a list. And you know, anyone should have a list, anyone should promote things, anyone should have an activity over email marketing, because it's very important and very easy to make money with email marketing. Well, this is just a proof of the quality of subscribers. Let's go back. You see I've got lead test cam, the same name, 205 subscribers. This is the proof video, and more things and about the system I can tell you inside the course, right? Because I cannot tell you here. Well, thank you again for visiting my page. I am waiting you inside this course. You are going to feel fantastic and you are going to profit because you have a huge possibility. And let me tell you one more thing. All this I've got in 24 hours. So everything you see here about the number of subscribers I've got in 24 hours. About the earnings, that is right after 1 month period of monetizing the leads. So I've got the subscribers in 24 hours and then I started to monetize the leads in order to prove that, firstly, to myself, if they are quality and if worth using the service, and of course then to have something to prove to you that the leads are high quality. Well, that's over the period of 1 month, the monetization. But this course is not about monetization of leads. This is about how to get these high quality subscribers. Well, I've told you, you are going to feel fantastic inside, and I'm waiting you inside this course.